All right, cool. So we've got the loaded mobility series, and we're going to be kicking it off with the front split or the long lunge progression, and we're going to be using the dowels to assist us to get in the game for this one. So the reason why we use this long lunge position is, first of all, we want to increase the length of the outer range of the hamstring, and we're also going to be able to increase the length of the hip flexors. So depending on how you want to use this stretch, you can start to lean forward to try and drive that weight through the front leg. Then you can also start to lean back to drive the load through the hamstrings there. So that's how you get in the game. The further you drive that leg back, the harder it's going to be. And then also we can start to really progress this movement by taking this back knee off the floor, and now we're adding gravity plus your body weight through the hamstring and through the hip flexor on this side, making it a loaded mobility drill, which is going to lead to increased outer range and inner range as well.